The plunge for me is a meditation. It's a way of dropping into the present moment instantaneously. It's a way of feeling myself just connect to the earth, connect to myself, connect to source instantaneously. There's nothing else to think about in that moment except jumping in the ocean. Here it is. This is the good stuff, right? Hi, my name is Linda Baffa, and I am a yoga teacher, meditation instructor, and retreat expert. I am into astrology, and if you look at an astrological chart, if you look at my astrological chart, which I also call a soul map, it's got a lot of elements of fire, and it's got a lot of elements of earth. And I just don't have a lot of water. And water is the element where we feel, where we express our emotions, where we have an ability to sort of ride the waves of life and go with the flow. I release control and surrender to the flow of love that will heal me. I release control. Performing was my lifelong dream, and I wanted it so bad to be on Broadway, to be on stage, to be in the spotlight. But what it did for the most part was just make me really depressed and beat me down. I got to a point in my mid-20s where I was just so angry with performing. I just need something to change. I don't know what it is, but I know yoga and I have had a great relationship. Yoga was always there for me as a therapy, as a way of solace, as a way of feeling better about myself. It doesn't matter if I'm a big famous actress or anything. What matters is that I'm connected to my soul. So family is everything to me. Part of our little nuclear family is that we just are always trying to connect with, you know, the highs and lows of the day and the roller coaster of life and mindfulness in general. It was January of 2020. We all said that I want to go to the beach more because there's sometimes a whole week where I don't even touch the sand. And to fulfill that intention, the action was to collect an FC glass to fill a jar. So we started at the beginning of the year, and we finished it at the end of the year, and we filled it up. FC glass! FC glass! It's important for me to have a yoga studio in Carpinteria because it's already such a family-oriented, intimate community. It also deserves a yoga studio. It deserves a space where people can come together and feel a sense of community. I'd love to get a team of teachers that just feel like you're held and you're safe, and your teachers have a lot of experience. So that's sort of what I'm searching for right now. I'm a big fan of the phrase, "come as you are." And I say it all the time in my classes, and I feel it in my own body constantly. As I age, I feel my age. You don't have to be a super flexible person to do yoga. I'm so much more interested in connecting with and guiding people that don't do yoga or don't want to do yoga or have some sort of past issue with yoga. The clients today, they have limitations. They have new hips and backs that hurt, and it's still a beautiful practice. I think it's so important to just get out of your head about it, like to get out of the fact that you're not doing it right, or that it hurts, or that it's serious, right? Let loose. Be free. Move your arms, move your legs, shake it out. Stick your tongue out, make a weird face, close your eyes, who cares? Like, just do it. I think more people need that actually than they even need yoga. Like, it's like we need to be told that it's okay to just free up, right? To not take it all so seriously.